Welcome to our roundup of the best budget robot vacuum options. Whether you're tired of daily sweeping, dealing with pet hair, or just want a smarter way to keep your floors clean, we've picked some of the best robot vacuums that combine powerful suction, smart navigation, and convenient features without breaking the bank. From self-emptying systems to vacuum and mop combos, these models are designed to save time and make cleaning effortless. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and prices. Now, let's jump right in and find the perfect robot vacuum for your home. The first on the list is the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac. Featuring power lift suction, smart mapping navigation, and auto carpet detection, the Roomba 105 is designed to make everyday cleaning simple and reliable. Built with the trusted Roomba cleaning system, this vacuum delivers impressive suction power that easily picks up dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Its smart navigation system helps it clean in organized rows instead of randomly bumping around the house, giving you better coverage and more efficient cleaning sessions. One of the biggest advantages of the Roomba 105 is how easy it is to use. The companion app allows you to schedule cleaning sessions, customize cleaning preferences, and even monitor cleaning progress in real time. It can automatically detect carpets and boost suction power for deeper cleaning when needed. That means you do not have to manually adjust settings while moving between surfaces. The slim design also helps it slide under beds, couches, and furniture where dirt usually hides. This model performs especially well in smaller and medium-sized homes. Its battery life is reliable enough for daily cleaning, and once the battery gets low, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock. Overall, the Roomba 105 is a dependable and beginner-friendly robot vacuum that combines strong cleaning performance with smart automation, making it a great option for anyone looking to simplify daily floor cleaning. Next up is the Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum. Equipped with self-cleaning brush roll, strong suction power, and precision home mapping, this robot vacuum is built for homes that deal with heavy dust, pet hair, and daily messes. Shark has focused heavily on convenience here, and the result is a vacuum that feels much more premium than its price suggests. The powerful suction system handles everything from fine dust to larger debris with ease, while the self-cleaning brush roll helps prevent hair wrap, which can be a major issue with many budget robot vacuums. One feature that really stands out is the smart home mapping technology. Instead of cleaning randomly, the Navigator creates a map of your home for more efficient coverage. This allows you to set no-go zones, select specific rooms for cleaning, and create customized schedules directly through the app. It works surprisingly well around furniture and obstacles, reducing unnecessary bumps and missed spots. The cleaning performance on carpets is particularly impressive. It can lift pet hair and embedded debris more effectively than many entry-level robot vacuums. On hard floors, the side brushes help collect dust from edges and corners, leaving floors noticeably cleaner after each run. Overall, the Shark Navigator robot vacuum delivers strong suction, excellent pet hair performance, and intelligent mapping features that make it a smart and affordable cleaning solution for busy households. Next, we have the Tycom robot vacuum. Coming with ultra-strong suction, vacuum and mop combo, and slim, low-profile design, the Tycom robot vacuum is designed for users who want maximum versatility at a budget-friendly price. This vacuum stands out because it combines vacuuming and mopping into one compact machine, helping users clean dust, debris, and light stains in a single run. Its powerful suction performance makes it surprisingly capable on carpets while still remaining gentle enough for hardwood floors and tiles. The slim body design is one of its biggest strengths. It easily slides underneath furniture, beds, and sofas to clean areas that are often difficult to reach with traditional vacuums. Despite the compact build, it still manages to carry a decent-sized dustbin and water tank for longer cleaning sessions. The smart sensors help it avoid collisions and prevent falls near stairs, giving users extra peace of mind during operation. For daily maintenance cleaning, the Tycom performs impressively well. The mopping function is especially useful for light floor maintenance, helping remove footprints and surface dust after vacuuming. Multiple cleaning modes allow you to switch between edge cleaning, spot cleaning, and full room cleaning depending on your needs. Overall, the Tycom robot vacuum is an excellent budget-friendly option for users who want both vacuuming and mopping capabilities in one compact and easy-to-use cleaning machine. Coming up next, we have the MOVA P10 Ultra. Packed with self-emptying station, advanced LiDAR navigation, and powerful mop system, this robot vacuum is designed to deliver a premium cleaning experience at a surprisingly competitive price. The P10 Ultra immediately stands out because of its all-in-one docking station that automatically empties dust, refills water, and helps reduce maintenance. This means users can go weeks without manually handling dirt or debris. Its LiDAR navigation system creates highly accurate maps of your home, allowing the robot to clean efficiently while avoiding obstacles with impressive precision. Unlike basic robot vacuums that move randomly, the P10 Ultra follows organized cleaning paths for better coverage and faster results. The smart mapping also allows multi-floor support, room-specific cleaning, and customized cleaning zones through the app. Performance is another major highlight. The powerful suction easily handles pet hair, dust, cereal crumbs, and dirt on carpets and hard floors alike. Meanwhile, the advanced mopping system adds extra convenience by scrubbing floors more effectively than standard drag-style mops. Multiple cleaning modes allow you to switch between edge cleaning, spot cleaning, and full room cleaning depending on your needs. Overall, the MOVA P10 Ultra delivers premium-level smart cleaning features, strong suction performance, and excellent automation, making it one of the best value robot vacuums for users who want advanced hands-free cleaning. The last one on our list is the Eufy C28 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Featuring high suction performance, smart AI navigation, and dual vacuum and mop cleaning, the Eufy C28 offers one of the most balanced cleaning experiences in its category. Designed for modern homes, this robot vacuum combines strong cleaning performance with smart automation and user-friendly controls, making it a standout choice for everyday cleaning. The powerful suction system easily removes dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. At the same time, the integrated mop function helps keep floors looking fresh by removing light stains and fine dust particles. The AI-powered navigation system allows the vacuum to move smoothly around obstacles while creating efficient cleaning paths that minimize missed spots. One thing that makes the Eufy C28 especially appealing is its reliability. It transitions smoothly between floor types and performs consistently even in homes with multiple rooms and furniture layouts. The app provides easy access to cleaning schedules, mapping controls, no-go zones, and cleaning history. Voice assistant support also makes operation even more convenient for smart home users. The low-profile design helps it clean under furniture effectively, while the large battery capacity supports longer cleaning sessions without frequent charging. Overall, the Eufy C28 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo stands out as one of the best all-around budget robot vacuums for users who want powerful cleaning, smart navigation, and reliable daily performance in one sleek package. So, that's it for the best budget robot vacuums available right now. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech and home gadget reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.